Hello, Telesis lower level teachers. This is Mr. Loslow. We've had some questions regarding exactly how we are going to be using the computer lab, and while there are several other things regarding A+, that we can't really answer all the questions yet, I would like to start using the lab and start allowing you to use the lab. So in the past we have actually created a schedule, sort of like your PE or lunch schedule, where you have, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 10 o'clock, that's when you come in. The problem with that is that it's too arbitrary. It doesn't allow you the opportunity to fit within your existing curriculum technology, and it's forced. Okay, and I don't think it really is the avenue to pursue if we really want genuine learning, genuine authentic learning to occur. So what I have done is, on my Telesis technology blog, which you can see right here, it says telisistech.blogspot.com. You can go there and you can fill out a Google form that I have embedded, the computer lab activity request. Forgive me for reading, but it's probably the best way. The object of this is to allow activities in the lab to integrate directly with learning expectations in your classroom. You may either describe the activity you would like to do, or you can give me the learning objective. As an example, if your class is studying planets, you can give me the number of days, duration of each visit, and time or times that you would fit your schedule, and I can create an activity to meet your learning objective. You may also have an explicit activity you wish your class to perform. If that is the case, I would ask that you plan on conducting the activity, with my role being one of support. I have a wide variety of options available and can generally meet the requirements of learning objectives in any subject. Though there are subjects that lend themselves more effectively to creating and publishing, I'm certain I can design an activity for almost any learning objective that you can think of. Of course, I'll give you a synopsis of any activity I create. Odds are I'll probably give you 2 or 3 options. So please, when you do this, when you fill out this form, give me about a week's notice if it's something you want me to create, so I can give you some different options, because you know your kids better than I do, and your learners may not be ready for what I have. I spend an awful lot of time keeping up with what's going on in technology and tools, and the key, if you look at the Arizona State Standard regarding technology, fundamentally it's about creating and publishing, and I honestly believe that that's where authentic learning takes place, is when students create and publish for all to see their work. So you go to the Telesis Technology blog, and you'll see the computer lab activity request. You type your name where it says teacher name, and then you can describe the activity you want to do. If it's just you want to give me the learning objective, we're studying planets, and I can come up with something for that. Or if you have a very specific time or a very specific thing you want to do, I can have the lab all set up with the software up and going, and certain web pages open, so that when you walk in you can immediately get to work and not waste a bunch of time getting everything set up. And I'll remain in there with you as an assistant, so if you have specific things you want them to do. Next is the number of days, consecutive if possible, but not necessarily. Put it in this sort of little format I've got here. So 3 days, 30-minute sessions. You know your kids, maybe your kids can't handle 45, maybe they can't handle an hour, and the times that you would like. I will send an email to you explaining if it's something that you want me to create, explaining or giving you options for what I've created, and then I will place on Mr. Loslow's blog, on this calendar, I will put your class times in there, so you'll be able to look on there and see, there's my time, and you can check at any time you like. I think this is going to be a lot more effective. My time is running out on my screener, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at 1:38 or at my email. Thanks, have a great day.